Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can log in right now, or if you're not sure how to do it, I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account. So after that, simply tap on this circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available. In my case, I've got 27 updates pending. So if you want to, of course, you can mark all of the apps and update all. If not, just choose those which you want to. So let me pick maybe Google Chrome and Google Drive. So after marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device is right now downloading the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you do not have to wait here, you can just turn it off completely and everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.